Student, today in this video I will tell you how to factorize this exponential equation. So my dear student, our given algebraic expression is x to the power 5 plus x plus 1. So student, to factorize this algebraic expression, so we have to add and subtract the terms x square to this algebraic expression. Okay, so if you add and subtract the terms x square to this algebraic expression, then the algebraic expression will becomes x to the power 5 plus x plus 1 minus x square plus x square. Okay, so same terms we have to add and subtract to this algebraic expression. Okay, so student, so after that we have to arrange these terms of this algebraic expression. Okay, so we have to arrange x to the power 5 with minus x square. Okay, and we have to take plus sign, and after that in this place we have to write in here x square plus, so here is plus x and plus 1, so we have to write in here plus x plus 1. Okay student, so my dear student, after that we have to take common x square from first two terms. Okay, so we have to write inside this bracket x to the power 3 minus 1 plus, and in this place again we have to write same terms. Okay, x square plus x plus 1. Okay, so my dear student, after that to factorize this algebraic expression, so we have to apply the formula aq minus bq is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So this is our formula. Okay, so this formula we have to apply in here. Okay, so student, so again we have to write x square, and in the place of x cube minus 1, so we have to write x cube minus 1 in cubic form. Okay, so we have to write in here x to the power 3 minus 1 to the power 3. 1 to the power 3, that means 1, so we can write in the place of 1 to the power 3. Okay, and plus again we have to write x square plus x plus 1. Okay student, so student, after that again we have to write x square, and with expression. After apply this formula on this algebraic expression, so we can write from this expression x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 plus, so here is again we have to write x square plus x plus 1. Okay student, so student, after that, so my dear student, we have to use the first bracket in here, and so my dear student, in both terms x square plus x plus 1 is present. Okay, so my dear student, after that we have to take common the algebraic expression x square plus x plus 1. So inside this bracket, so after taking the common the algebraic expression x square plus x plus 1 from both terms, so we can write inside this bracket x square. So we have to use the second bracket, and inside this second bracket we have to write x square into x minus 1 plus, so here is no number, so before this bracket there is no number, so you have to take the 1. Okay, so if you take common x square plus x plus 1 from both terms, we have to write inside this second bracket x square into x minus 1 plus 1. Okay student, so we have to write in here x square plus x plus 1 into, so inside this bracket we have to write in here, so x square into x, that means x to the power 3 minus x square into 1, that means x. Okay, we have to multiply x minus 1 with x square. Okay, so then we get x cube minus x. Okay, and here is plus 1. We have to write in here plus 1. Okay, student. So student, if you factorize x to the power 5 plus x plus 1, then we get x square plus x plus 1 into x to the power 3 minus x plus 1. So this is our final answer. Okay student. Please, so my dear, so if you like this video and if you like this trick, so please support me and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.